In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a signature in Google Forms. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. If you are starting from scratch, it may show as an untitled form, and that is fine. The goal here is to add a signature option, which Google Forms does not include by default. To do that, we will install an add-on designed for signatures. In the top right area of the form editor, click the menu for add-ons, then choose the option to get add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that connect to Google Forms. In the search bar, type the word highlight. In the results, look for the add-on called Signature in Google Forms by Bolo vertical bar. Sign PDF, then click into it. Take a moment to confirm it is the correct add-on, then click Install. Google will walk you through a standard permission process. Click Continue, select the Google account you want to use, then click Continue again to approve the access request. Finish the prompts until the installation completes and you are returned to your form. Now go back to the Add-ons menu in Google Forms. You should see Signature in Google Forms by Bolo vertical bar. Sign PDF listed there. Click it to open the add-on. Once it loads, follow the on-screen setup flow and click Next to proceed through the configuration screens. You will then be prompted to enter a few details in the fields provided. Type the requested information carefully, since this is what the signature request will use. After you fill in the fields, click Next again. On the next screen, click the area that says Add your signature here. This opens the signature pad. Use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature in the box. If you want a cleaner result, sign a little slower and make sure you stay within the boundary. When you are satisfied, confirm it using the available option in the signature window. Then continue. Finally, click Submit to finish. After submission, return to your Google Form editor and confirm the add-on has been applied so your form can collect signatures as intended. And that is all there is to it.